It stopped raining, and there is a bat. Can you see her? She is coming back very quickly. There she is. Whoa. There she comes again. Wow. They are so super speedy. Whoa. They are so fast. Gosh. Love these bats. But the only thing that really sucks is... Wow. You see her? Oh, it's so hard to capture her. She's coming back. They are real artists. God. The only thing that sucks is the pitching. There she is again. You see that? She's always patrolling and then she's coming back. Ooh. Whoa. There's two of them around. Another one I could see behind the satellite dish. Wow. You need to be quick. You need to be very fast moving the cell phone, you know. There she is again. Whoa. I love these bats. But these motherfuckers right there, they suck. So let me see if I can catch her one more time for you. This is really hard right now. Yes, there she is. There she is. There she is. Holy moly. Okay, enough of that. I think I get my trailer ready and I'm just taking the risk of maybe taking a full bath. How can you know if you don't try? See you guys later on. Out of here.